want the tree.
Okay. Which candy do you want, Tessa?
I like this one.
You want the little woman? The old lady?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I
Is that what
guess
that
it has to stay on there.
Uh-huh. Which part did you make of the gingerbread house, Tessa? Did you make it?
Yes.
Yeah, what did you do, Lily?
I did the M&Ms
Uh-huh.
and the gummy bears.
Oh, there's lots of cool things in there. There's some people. Look at all those M&Ms over there.
Ow.
Yummy.
Ow. The icing is hurting me.
Oh, no. All right. So,
Ow.
you point to what you want to eat. What do you want to eat?
I want to eat this.
The whole tree? That's a big piece. How about half a tree?
No.
Tessa, what do you want to eat?
I want this.
Okay. All right, say goodbye.
I guess this has
Can you
to
say,
stay on it.
say Merry Christmas, everybody?